Thank you for watching this showcase. In this project, I delivered a massive content operation, creating captions and scheduling 1,000 posts across 10 Instagram accounts in just 4 days. I combined an AI-assisted workflow with hands-on manual editing to ensure every post perfectly matched the brand voice and niche, fitness and motivation. Each piece of content was optimized for Reels, Stories, and feed posts to maximize engagement. Here, you can see the monthly calendar view, followed by the weekly breakdown. I scheduled 10 posts every single day, and even added an extra 7 posts toward the end for maximum coverage. The content runs from July 28 to November 6, with the final deliverables completed ahead of schedule on November 5. I've also included caption samples for you to explore in Project Later section. Be sure to check them out for a taste of the brand tone and style.